Hi guys, Biotique has this fresh neem anti-dandruff shampoo. So let's see its review. This is 180 ml pack, has MRP of rupees 185, but you get around 20% discount from Amazon. And the pack says it has 100% Ayurvedic recipe. It is formulated with neem and bringrash to treat the dandruff that we will actually test. The shampoo comes in a translucent plastic bottle with green labels. To my surprise, ingredients are not mentioned on the pack. Anyways, moving forward, the shampoo is mint green colored and it has a good workable medium to thick consistency. The lathering of the shampoo is average. I'm not saying it doesn't lather well. It's just average comparing to other shampoos, and it has a nice fragrance. It smells good, but it's difficult to describe the fragrance. I'll show you how exactly it works on the dandruff. So see the scalp here. I hope you can see the dandruff in there. Now I'm going to just apply this shampoo to damp hair, working the lather from the scalp to the ends, rinse thoroughly with water, and after wash you see the effect. Can you find out any dandruff in here? All is gone. But the negative is, this shampoo does a decent job in controlling the dandruff. It does not entirely eradicate it. I have noticed that the dandruff reoccurs on the third day. It actually required to use the shampoo every other day or every 2 days for the consistent result. And there is definitely some conditioner in there. It makes the hair smooth and there is no need to use any other conditioner separately. So overall, this one is a good choice for effective cleansing hair and controlling dandruff. It leaves the hair feeling soft and manageable for a short period. And if you are looking for an affordable option with mild properties and satisfactory results, this shampoo is worth considering. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.